In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Brevo to N8N so you can streamline your email marketing and automation. Start by creating a new workflow from your N8N dashboard. Click the Create button and a blank canvas will open where we'll build the automation. Now add the Brevo trigger node. Nodes are the building blocks in N8N, and this one will start your workflow whenever specific events happen in Brevo. Once the Brevo trigger is on your canvas, choose the event type you want it to track. For example, you can pick email opened if you want to see engagement, or email sent if you're tracking delivery. Select the one that fits your goal and double check the configuration to avoid errors. Next, test your workflow. Send an email or trigger the event you selected in Brevo and see if N8N responds. Once it works, you can start building on top of it, like automating responses, tracking interactions, or sending data to other apps. And that's it. You've connected Brevo to N8N, unlocking powerful automation to make your email marketing smarter and more efficient.